Our Sulphur Crested Cockatoo feeding. And our cat Garfield is very interested.
Very.
Are you interested, Garfield?
Yummy. You will be afterwards.
Don't touch it.
What, Garfield?
Yes.
Yummy. Yeah.
Here's the crazy bird woman herself.
Hello.
Well, what's Garfield doing?
He wants
Big
some.
Garfield.
He wants some.
He's saying, where's mine?
He has some last night afterwards when it's finished. You done? You done? Just wait there, Garfield.
Where's mine?
You finished?
He's having a good food. He's having a good feed there, isn't he?
Yeah, we know what he'll want. You done?
You'd think he'd want to eat the bird, but
Yeah,
no.
yeah. Give some to Garfield. Oh, ugh, it's disgusting, Garfield.
It's
Yeah.
yummy. Bird porridge.
Ugh. That's disgusting. How do you like that?
Yeah.
Well, the baby bird's getting attention by having it, so it must be good.
Ugh.
Right, I can't see.
Why is he eating it? Hi, Palpatine.
Django, here.
It's so much better than that tasty cat
Yes,
food.
Garfield. He eats everything.
You got some on your nose.
He's starting to clean himself now. He feels
done?
loved.
Done?
Yuck.
Yummy. Okay, let's clean baby up.